10 healthy foods that boost energy. How to snack for high energy throughout the day. When your energy is low, you might instinctively reach for a cup of coffee or a handful of candy to provide a quick boost. The desire to reach for caffeine, chips, or cookies when we want a pick-me-up is understandable. But too much caffeine can deliver the opposite of a jolt. And quickly digesting carbohydrates, such as sweet beverages, white bagels, pretzels, and candy, which give a quick hit of pleasure because they boost serotonin, the brain chemical that helps regulate mood, will cause your blood sugar to spike and give you a short-lived high that ends in a crash. What's more, says Carrie Cooey, Road, of Houston Methodist Weight Management Center in Texas, the subsequent drop in blood sugar increases cravings for more energy-zapping foods. She says that energy-boosting snacks are those that are rich in protein, fiber, and complex carbohydrates. When you eat this combination, she says, the energy from the food is like a time-released capsule that's slowly being released into the bloodstream and steadily keeping you fueled for hours to come. That's the main building block of a healthy, energy-boosting snacking strategy: foods with zero or hardly any additives. Foods like nuts, plain yogurt, and whole grains will keep your snacks low in calories and high in satisfying fuel. Protein in particular increases the production of a brain chemical that regulates concentration. Protein improves focus, making you feel alert and on top of your game, says Cooey. When the mid-afternoon energy slump strikes, a well-timed, protein-packed snack can provide an instant pick-me-up and keep you satisfied for hours. She suggests pairing proteins and fiber-rich carbs for what she calls power snacks that will perk you up when there's no time for a power nap. Smart snacking doesn't just improve your day-to-day functioning, it can be part of a plan for a longer, healthier life overall. Better daily choices can curb cravings, which can help keep your weight down, which in the long term can protect you from heart disease, diabetes, and other conditions. Scientists also think that improving your nutrition, even if you're taking baby steps toward it, may help protect you against the risk of Alzheimer's. By snacking smart, you'll be giving your body the nutrients it needs to function, and function optimally. Here are 10 great options for healthy, revitalizing small bites. Some are great as on-the-go snacks, while others are smart choices for a lunchtime meal that will power you through the afternoon. Almonds, full of motivating magnesium and vitamin B. Almonds are a superstar in the snack world, as they contain important nutrients, like magnesium and B vitamins, that help convert food to energy. Research shows that people with low magnesium levels tend to tire more quickly during exercise due to magnesium's role in energy metabolism, explains Rachel Berman, Road, CDN, author of Boosting Your Metabolism for Dummies. Insufficient B vitamins can lead to fatigue, irritability, and poor concentration. Stick to one serving, 1 ounce Oz, or about 23 nuts, to keep calories in check. Popcorn, packed with an all-fiber, no-guilt crunch. Whole grain carbohydrates are a snack with staying power. Thanks to fiber, whole grains help prevent the blood sugar crashes that happen after consuming refined or simple carbohydrates, Berman says. Popcorn is a smarter pick than other crunchy snacks, like chips, since it's a whole grain that's low in calories, as long as you don't douse it with butter, salt, or oil. It also provides volume and so tends to keep you satisfied longer than chips and crackers. Ditch flavored microwave popcorn and try popping your own kernels, then season them with herbs and spices. Peanut butter, high in good fats, protein, and satisfaction. Although peanut butter is a calorie-dense food, a little goes a long way in providing a great-tasting energy boost. Its healthy fats, protein, and fiber help stave off hunger and keep blood sugar levels stable. Instead of covering your morning toast with butter or jelly, which are devoid of protein and fiber, top slices with an all-natural nut butter that contains nothing but nuts, Berman suggests. Just be sure to avoid brands with added sugars, and stick to a 2 tablespoon serving. Salmon, rich in brain-boosting omega-3s. Salmon isn't called a brain food for nothing. The rich-tasting fish earns the moniker from its omega-3 fatty acids, nutrients that have been found to reduce depression as well as boost mood, Berman says. The healthy fats also make salmon a smart choice for your heart, as they help lower blood pressure and bad cholesterol, which can raise your risk for cardiovascular disease. Plus, the high protein count promotes satiety, which makes it a great energizing dinner option for those trying to lose weight. Bananas. Potassium pumps up your workout. Bananas are nature's pre-packed and portable healthy snack. They're filled with fiber, vitamin B6, and potassium, nutrients that promote sustained energy and muscle function, Berman says. Bananas are particularly appealing as a pre- or post-workout snack. Pair a banana with a glass of low-fat milk or a cup of yogurt for an energizing combination of fiber and protein, a combo that also makes a great breakfast to start your day. Kale. Amino acids and antioxidants will keep you alert. Skip iceberg lettuce and add an energy boost to your salad by using nutrient-rich kale as a base. Kale is also great sautéed as a side dish, chopped into soups, and tossed with whole wheat pasta. Kale contains the amino acid L-tyrosine, which may help give you a mental lift, as well as a number of antioxidants and fiber to fill you up and help keep your blood sugar stable, says Berman. Oatmeal. Fiber makes a long-burning fuel. Ask any nutritionist for healthy and simple breakfast ideas, and oatmeal is sure to make the list. Its high fiber content is the reason it's such a filling meal that provides lasting energy. Because fiber takes so long to digest, having oatmeal for breakfast will power you through the entire morning, compared with a breakfast of white toast and jelly, explains Melinda Johnson, Rhode, director of the didactic program in dietetics at Arizona State University in Phoenix, and president-elect of the Arizona Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics. With stable blood sugar levels, you'll feel energized and focused without feeling the need to down another cup of coffee. Pistachios. Packed with powerful protein and fiber. Powerhouse pistachios have a combination of protein, fiber, and heart-healthy monounsaturated fats that adds up to a perfectly satisfying snack. Pistachios' rich protein content makes them an ideal food for energy all day long, says Cooey. Though nuts are calorie-dense, 25 pistachios have only 100 calories, and the fact that you have to remove the shell slows you down and prevents overeating. Hummus. Protein-rich dip with a nutritious kick. Hummus is a Mediterranean dip with only a few simple ingredients: pureed garbanzo beans, sesame-based tahini, olive oil, and lemon juice, that all contribute nutrients for energy. The fiber and protein that the beans provide stabilize blood sugar, take the edge off hunger, and boost energy, Cooey notes. When used as a dip for nutrient-rich veggies, such as red pepper strips or carrot sticks, hummus makes a great mid-afternoon snack. You can also use it as a sandwich spread instead of mayonnaise. Greek yogurt, a creamy, substantial energy solution. When it comes to yogurt, Greek varieties can deliver twice the amount of hunger-satisfying protein as regular offerings, with 17 grams per 6 oz container, making it a supercharged breakfast, lunch, or snack. The thick, indulgent texture is the perfect canvas for a variety of toppings that can make it even more substantial, Cooey says. Mix in fresh berries and chopped nuts for a nutrient-packed treat. Make sure you select non-fat Greek yogurt that's low in added sugar to keep calories at around 100 per container. Thank you for watching. Please click the link in the description for more information.